Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. As you know that we are discussing the next module, that is the agreement, and we are discussing the process that involved within the operation agreement, and we have discussed one type of operation, that is the feature evaluation, and now we are moving toward the next operation, that is called the feature copying. And I want to tell you that if you are new in our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates about language and linguistics. Now, in this video, I will tell you that how the agreement in the syntax has been made. The first point is that we have to value the feature. And if we have valued the feature, the next process is the feature copying. And in this video, I will tell you that how we can see, how we can highlight, how we can find out how the features of the categories in the derivation can be copied. And I have told you that what are the category that possess the specific feature. Like I have told you that noun has the three features: the person feature, the number feature, and the gender feature. And the T has the feature, it has the tense feature, the number feature, and case feature. And let's see what is the core theory of the points, that is the feature copying. Feature copying is one theory. That theory of in syntax is very important to know, that all of you, if you are working on syntax. And this is the core of the theory, copying theory. First, you should know that what is the copying theory and what copying theory states. Copying theory states that, see, copying theory states that if alpha is a valued feature f, it means if we have the category that is the alpha category, but the feature of that particular category has been valued. Like if we suppose this is the alpha, this has valued feature, person feature is valued, number feature is valued, and the theory is stating that if alpha is valued feature f and beta is unvalued for f, but beta, here is the beta, this is alpha, this is beta, and if we say this has valued feature alpha and beta is unvalued feature for f, means there are two types of categories in syntax. One has the valued feature and one has the one feature that is unvalued. What will become? What will happen at this stage? And if beta agrees with alpha, if beta agrees with alpha, if this dp agrees with phi t, then the feature for f, mean it has some feature, it has some feature. The feature of alpha can be valued the feature of the beta category if beta agrees with alpha, if beta has made the agreement with the beta category, and then alpha, the feature valued for f on alpha, then what will become? The features of alpha is valued on the beta, but one thing that is important, that is on alpha is copied onto beta. The features of alpha can be copied at the beta. This is the theory. And in the previous video I have told you that this has the feature and this category has the feature, and the feature of T is only the tense feature, the present tense, and the tense is the valued feature. But the number and the person feature of t has not been valued. This is the problem, but it has some slots. On that slots, we have the particular feature of the same number feature, person feature, and in this DP, we have the person feature and the number feature. And if this agrees with this T and the feature of alpha can be copied, the features of the beta. And here the feature of person can be copied, and here it becomes the third person. The feature of DP number is copied on the feature of T, and at this the feature of singular number can be copied, and this is called the feature copying. If we have the two syntactic category within the syntax, when we are going to make the agreement between the two categories, one have the feature that is the valued feature, the other have the feature that are unvalued feature. We have the contradiction, but both categories have the feature slots, and alpha then copies the feature on the beta, and if these features can be copied on the beta, this is called the copying theory. First is the feature valuation process, the second is the feature copying, and if we cannot copy the feature cannot be deleted, the next process will not be going on. So for moving for a smooth flow in the syntax, in the derivation, when we generate the sentences, we must follow the system, and system tells us that the feature must be valued, because we have two types of feature: valued feature, unvalued feature. If we have any feature in the derivation that is unvalued, we cannot move further toward the next operation. So when we have the first process completed, then we will move toward the next operation, that is over the feature copying. And if feature copying has been taken place, after that the derivation will be moved on the next level, and the next level is the called the feature deletion. At this point I will tell you in the next video. Thank you very much.